Hi everybody, today I'm unboxing. Again, I'm recording on my iPad, or not my iPad, but my MacBook today, cause my camera's dead. So I honestly hope this is mine this time. I haven't uploaded that video because I'm not going to. But I tried doing an unboxing the other day and it wasn't mine. It was something my mom ordered. And I didn't want to show you guys because I don't even know what it was. But I think this is mine, so hopefully it is. Or something that I ordered her, but I just ordered it on her account. Yep, this is mine. It's hair rollers. For my mannequin head, it's just 6-piece hair rollers. Here, I'll take them out of the package. It's not hot rollers or anything. It's ones that you have to let the hair dry on. They're Velcro ones too. I got the smallest size because I cut the hair like really short. Okay, so sorry, my cousin texted me because she's getting tattoos. I was like, "What are you getting?" But yeah. So it's just Velcro rollers. These actually seem way better than the picture. I'll show you guys what tattoo my cousin is getting on her wrist. My cousin's getting this on her wrist. And, oh, that's cool. This on her leg. Hang on, let me text her back real quick. Yeah, so, oh yeah, by the way, she's coming over. She's getting those on Friday, which today is Tuesday. And she's getting those on Friday and coming over Saturday, so be prepared for more videos of her showing her tattoos. Okay. So, back to these. They're really nice rollers. They're Velcro ones. I've probably said that a couple times, but yeah. So, if they don't work, you can always use them as finger. Black and blue pen. Black and